Oh, you brought the vinyl? I actually last week I saw
You guys used to do it in the morning.
Yes. No, so, I mean, not tonight. 8:10 was the last one.
Okay.
Sorry. We already got our winner.
We don't think about it. Just like that. Come on, I thought that it did. How are we gonna start the beginning?
Fuck, man. Is that a camera? Who wants you in here with that shit? This professional studio with cameras. Can't take it. I can't take it anymore.
You already know what it is, man. Sound Lupus, we out here in the 94.9. You already know. Boho or go home. All day, every day. You know what it is. Chula Vista. Putting it down. We live. Peace. I'm hashtag shut up.
It's that hair.
He's all, wait a minute. My girl is my hobby.
We're gonna be live.
Live and direct. Yeah, this.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Cock.
Don't.
Oh, good point.
Speak in Spanish.
When you expect me to go home, I know you'll let it out. I don't even know the lyrics to any of these songs.
Alright, here we go. Oh my God, it's up time to go.
Buddy.
Sound Lupus with Pretty Baby. I've got David, Lionel, Michelle, Bob, Josh, and Bubba from Sound Lupus here in the studio. How you guys doing?
Pretty good.
That was pretty amazing.
Pretty tired.
Pretty tired. Why? What were you doing?
We were recording some new material earlier today, all day. We started like at 12 or 1.
Okay,
So
good for you. You're in it to win it then.
Yeah.
You guys are from Chula Vista.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you all meet in high school or?
Some of us, yeah.
Okay. How long's the band been together?
A little over 3 years.
Are you making fun of the disease lupus?
No.
Explain.
Somebody want to explain that?
It's basically Latin for wolf. We were gonna be called Canis Lupus, but some other band had the name already taken.
Like 3
So we were like, all right, Sound Lupus.
And then Bubba was like, we should be Sonus Lupus, which is sound, the Latin root for sound. And I was like, no, man, that's way too much Latin.
Yeah.
So we couldn't have.
There's already enough Latinos in the band, so.
Josh Skelly.
He's from Philadelphia.
Yeah, we out here.
How long has Sound Lupus been a band?
Little over 3 years. I think it started out just me, Bubba, and Bob initially. We had common music interests, and then we just, I started rapping with Josh, and he joined the band too.
That's
and
not hip hop though. What did we just hear? Tell us. I get a vibe out of that track, but it's definitely not hip hop.
I think it's like these two, Bubba and Bob. They come from River Bottom Rockers. That's a reggae background.
Sorry to
all
hear
of-
that.
All of Lion's rhythms are kind of like reggae rhythms. They're faster. I come from punk background. I know Bob is too.
It's such an odd spot out there, you know.
It
Oh
is.
my god.
The
it's
sound is
crazy.
great.
Dude,
Yeah,
he
the
just
good
bought, he
beers.
just restored it with like a bunch of JBLs and it's super
Nice.
Free pool too.
dope.
Yeah,
I like it because it looks like a saloon out front, kind of, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's play another song, Sound Lupus. This is off their new EP, which can be purchased or downloaded.
How did we do?
You guys
You're fine.
You guys are funny.
Until you said you were in a reggae band. We are talking to Sound Lupus, David, Lionel, Michelle, Bob, Josh, and Bubba.
Yeah.
And they're going to do a song for you live in the studio right now. It's called Relationship Wrecks. You guys take it away.
All right. I'll get my dad.
Cool.
Well, I went walking down this moonlit shore. Well, I almost had my way.